When I shade round surfaces, I will shade as the shape goes. So I will, if the shape spins around like this, I will shade like this. And if you accidentally pull a line what's too strong or too deep in, too black, it will just make sense as you can play that as a reflection or something. But if you just cross that way, let's say you shade that way, and then you accidentally pull one stroke too dark, then that doesn't make sense. That goes against the shape. But if you move your hand with the shape that you're shading like this, nice round circle, and if you accidentally pull one too strong, it'll make sense, because lines would be reflected in bent round shape. And always make sure to leave that little white edge as a light what hits back the subject or comes back to the subject.